Hello beautiful lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video I'm going to show very beautiful and unique crochet granny square designs ideas for different uses. Granny square classy charm, crochet granny square ahead, stitch a piece of history. In this video you see many different type of granny square designs ideas, different patterns about granny square, so please watch this video without skip till end. So let's get started. Crochet a granny square with me. Round by round we will create a beautiful timeless square. Add some texture, crochet beautiful shell, beads, pearls, stones. You add and decor your crochet granny square easily. Make it your own, customize with color, yarn and different stitches. Join this square, create a blanket, granny square blanket, granny square bed sheet, cushion cover, pillow covers, cardigans and different accessories you make with the help of granny square. Add some embellishments, crochet, borders, tassels or applique works. You add some more embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, tassels, pom-pom and many different accessories. You add and decor your crochet granny square easily. And that's a wrap. Your beautiful and lovely look crochet granny square is complete, ready for use for different make. And as a bonus we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create beautiful crochet granny square ideas easily. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project unique and special. Stay warm and cozy with beautiful crochet granny square, cushions covers, pillow covers, cardigans, neck warmers, sweaters, crochet fingerless gloves with the help of granny square. You make and share with me on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next few more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more design.